all right.
Hey.
How's Jacob?
I don't know. He's not been out of his room since this rag came out.
Poor thing. Must be devastating.
Well, it's certainly going to get tongues wagging. Listen to this. A source has told us that she dated a local shopkeeper who hasn't been named. I mean, how many local shopkeepers live around here? Feels like it's never going to end. Oh, hi.
Hi.
This is Joanna, Jacob's social worker.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Oh, wish I could say I was better. I assume you've seen this?
Yes. It's Jacob.
Yeah, seen it online.
I thought you might have. I was hoping to have a little chat with him.
Yeah, OK.
Go on, I'll watch the shop.
Thanks. So, any news?
You've not heard? She appeared in court today, and she'll be pleading not guilty.